This is the second part of the synapse. So we were discussing types of synapses. फर्स्ट हम बात कर रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल साइनेप्स की. इलेक्ट्रिकल साइनेप्सेस आर लोअर इन नंबर देन द केमिकल साइनेप्सेस, कम होते हैं. सम इलेक्ट्रिकल साइनेप्सेस आर बाई डायरेक्शनल, दोनों डायरेक्शन में ट्रांसमिट कर सकते हैं. There is a direct physical connection between the presynaptic neuron and the postsynaptic neuron. This connection takes the form of a channel called as gap junction, which allows current ions to flow directly from one cell to another. तो इसमें जो इलेक्ट्रिकल साइनेप्स होता है इसमें डायरेक्ट फिजिकल कनेक्शंस होता है प्री सिनेप्टिक एंड पोस्ट सिनेप्टिक न्यूरॉन के अंदर, और दिस कनेक्शन टेक्स द फॉर्म ऑफ अ चैनल कॉल्ड एज गैप जंक्शन, और यहाँ से करंट आयंस हैं वो फ्लो करते हैं डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम वन टू अनदर. The electrical synapse in the thalamus are thought to be regulate slow wave sleep, and disruption of these synapses called seizure. जो हमारा थैलेमस है उसके जो इलेक्ट्रिकल साइनेप्सिस हैं वो हमारी स्लो वेव स्लीप को रेगुलेट करते हैं. अगर इनके अंदर डिस्ट्रप्शन हो जाता है तो फिर it causes seizures. Now we come to the chemical synapse. Chemical synapse. Almost every synapse in a human being are chemical. Chemical synapses are specialized junctions through which cells of the nervous system signals to one another and to non-neuronal cells such as muscles or glands. A chemical synapse between a motor neuron and the muscle neuron is called as neuromuscular junction. What is synaptic cleft or the synaptic gap? The space between neurons at a nerve synapse is called as synaptic cleft or synaptic gap. जो केमिकल हमारे जो ह्यूमंस के अंदर जितने भी साइनेप्स होते हैं वो सारे केमिकल होते हैं. ये बहुत स्पेशलाइज जंक्शंस होते हैं in which the cells of the nervous system signals to one another. एक दूसरे दो न्यूरॉन एक दूसरे के बीच में पास करते हैं, और न्यूरॉन टू नॉन न्यूरोनल सेल्स सच एज मसल्स एंड ग्लैंड. A chemical synapse between the neuron and the muscle is known as neuromuscular junction. So this is the diagram of a chemical synapse, myelin sheath. This is the active zone. These are synaptical vesicles. This is synaptic cleft, and these are the receptors. This is a process of chemical synaptic transmission. This is a very beautiful diagram. Use it for your answers. Chemical transmission happens in 5 stages: neurotransmitter synthesis, neurotransmitter packaging, neurotransmitter release, neurotransmitter binding, stopping of the chemical signal. The gap between the neurons is about 10 to 20 nm large. You can see these are the sending neuron and this is the receiving neuron. इसको थोड़ा सा डिटेल में पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. इसको मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर रही हूँ सो यू ऑल कैन ऑल्सो सी इट. फर्स्ट स्टेज क्या है? न्यूरो ट्रांसमीटर सिंथेसिस. The large peptides are synthesized in the cell body of the neuron and are transported to the synaptic terminal through the axon. The smaller amines and amino acids can generally be synthesized at the presynaptic terminal itself. What is the second stage? The synthesized neurotransmitter need to be put into small groups or vesicles ready to be launched or transmitted across the synaptic cleft. Now third, neurotransmitter release. Then fourth, we have neurotransmitter binding. The membrane of the postsynaptic neuron contains a few channels receptors that control how a neurotransmitter can be translated into a electrical signal. Then fifth is stopping of the chemical signal. So this is a very beautiful diagram. So you can use it for writing down your answers. अब यहाँ हम डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं प्रोसेस ऑफ केमिकल सिनेप्टिक ट्रांसमिशन. Action potential reaches the axon terminal, depolarizes the membrane, and opens a voltage gated sodium channels. Sodium ions enter the cell, further depolarizing the presynaptic membrane. This depolarization causes voltage gated calcium channels to open. The calcium ions entering the cell initiate a signaling cascade that causes small membrane bound vesicles, which are known as synaptic vesicles. Fusion of a vesicle with the presynaptic membrane causes neurotransmitter to be released in the synaptic cleft. The neurotransmitter diffuses across the synaptic cleft and binds to the receptor proteins on the postsynaptic membrane. Examples of the well-known neurotransmitter. सबसे पहले है acetylcholine. It is the muscle control and memory located CNS or PNS. PNS is peripheral nervous system. Then serotonin, intestinal movement, mood regulation and sleep. It is found in gut and CNS. Dopamine, voluntary muscle movements, cognition, reward pathways, hypothalamus. मैं पहले न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर के नाम बता रही हूँ, फिर उनके फंक्शन बता रही हूँ, फिर उनकी लोकेशन बता रही हूँ. नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन, फाइट और फ्लाइट रिस्पॉन्स, एड्रिनल मेडुला. GABA, it inhibits CNS, brain. Glutamate, generally an excitatory neurotransmitter, memory, CNS and PNS. Excitatory postsynaptic potential, that is EPSP. इसमें sodium enters the postsynaptic cells and causes the postsynaptic membrane to depolarize. This depolarization is known as Excitatory postsynaptic potential. Inhibitory postsynaptic potential, IPSP. It is the release of neurotransmitter at inhibitory synapses causes IPSP, a hyperpolarization of the postsynaptic membrane. Properties of synaptic transmission. One-way conduction. Impulses are transmitted only in one direction in a synapse from pre to post synaptic neuron and not vice versa. Synaptic delay. During the transmission of impulse via synapse, there is a short delay in the transmission is due to the time taken for release of the neurotransmitter, movement of the neurotransmitter and action of the neurotransmitter. Properties of a synaptic transmission. Fatigability. When synapses are continuously stimulated, after some time, due to exhaustion of the neurotransmitter at presynaptic terminals, impulse fail to get conducted. This results in fatigue occurring at the level of synapse. Fatigue is a temporary phenomena. Convergence and divergence. Convergence allows a neuron to receive inputs from many neurons in a network. Divergence allows one neuron to communicate with many other neurons in a network. Properties of a synaptic transmission. Continue कर रहे हैं. Summation. The additive effect of a several electrical impulse on a neuromuscular junction. Individually, the stimuli cannot evoke a response, but collectively, they can generate a response. Spatial summation and temporal summations are the two types of summation. Excitation or inhibition. The impulse conduction across a synapse may either stimulate or inhibit activity of postsynaptic region. Synaptic facilitation. Synaptic facilitation is the form of short-term plasticity that enhances synaptic transmission for less than a second. With this, we complete the topic synapse.